Imagine sitting down at a dinner party where two friends are discussing a movie you have not seen. They are using terms like third act, narrative arc, MacGuffin. You can follow the broad strokes, but you cannot really participate. The same is true for AI. The field has its own vocabulary, and most of it is being used in newspaper articles and podcasts without explanation. People who know it nod along, people who don't tune out. After a few years, the gap becomes hard to close. This lesson closes the gap. 10 terms, none of them hard. LLM stands for Large Language Model. It is the engine inside ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Think of it as an extraordinarily well-read assistant. A prompt is what you type to the AI. That's it, the fancy word for your question. A token is the unit of measurement, about 3/4 of a word. AI is billed by the token. The context window is how much text the AI can pay attention to at once, the AI's working memory. A hallucination is when AI confidently says something false. The AI does not lie, it pattern matches. Sometimes the patterns are wrong. Always verify important things. Training data is what the AI learned from. Parameters are the AI's internal settings, often used as a rough measure of capability. RAG, retrieval augmented generation, is when AI is given access to a specific library, like your company's documents. Fine tuning is teaching the AI a specialty. Continuing education. Multimodal AI handles more than text, images, audio, video. You can show it a photograph and ask what's happening. 10 terms, read them once more, then take the test. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to read any AI news article without confusion. The vocabulary unlocks the rest of the field.